Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Good morning, everyone. We are students of DCM Group of Schools. Welcome to our talk show on Delhi, the Timeless City.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
Delhi is a city where history, culture, and modern life exist together beautifully. Let me begin with one of the most iconic landmarks of Delhi, India Gate. India Gate is a magnificent war memorial built in 1931 to honor brave Indian soldiers who lost and sacrificed their lives in the World War I. Standing proudly at 42 meters, the monument symbolizes courage, sacrifice, and patriotism. Today, it is also a lively place where families and tourists gather to admire its beauty, especially when it is the time to the gate to glow at night. Now, I invite person 2, Laksh, to tell us about the Akshardham temple.
One of the most breathtaking attraction in Delhi is Akshardham Temple. It is famous for its stunning architecture, detailed carving, and peaceful atmosphere. It is beautifully showcased the rich tradition, spiritual values of Indian culture. Visitors can explore exhibitions, admire the beauty of gardens, and enjoy the water and light show. Now let us travel back in the time to explore Qutub Minar. I invite Kanaf.
Qutub Minar is one of the most remarkable monuments in India. Built in the 12th century, it stands 73 meters tall and is one of the tallest brick minarets in the world. Its carvings reflect the architectural brilliance of the Delhi Sultanate period. It is also recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now I invite person 4, Udita, to speak about the Lotus Temple.
The Lotus Temple is one of the most unique buildings in the world. It is shaped like a beautiful white lotus flower, symbolizing purity, peace, and harmony. People of all religions are welcome to come here and meditate in silence. The temple represents a message of unity and peace for humanity. Now I would like to invite Harshil for the conclusion.
Delhi truly deserves to be called the Timeless City. From the bravery remembered at India Gate to the spirituality of Akshardham, the historical grandeur of Qutub Minar, and the peaceful message of Lotus Temple. Each landmark reflects the diverse heritage of India. We express our sincere gratitude to the respected school for this opportunity. We express our sincere gratitude to our respected school for this opportunity. Now we would like to thank EdTerra Adventures for organizing this memorable educational trip. Thank you everyone for listening. Have a wonderful day.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk,
The #1 station.